check out this minty 92 GMC 1500 short bed, two-wheel drive, 350 manual transmission. This thing did drive back 700 plus miles without being on the road for like the past 5 years, and there's kind of a story behind it. So, as you've seen from my other videos on it in the shorts and on TikTok and on Instagram, this thing only has 171,000 miles on it. It lived in California and Nevada for a good chunk of its life, till finally we got it up to the Great Pacific Northwest. It did drive back getting 19 miles to the gallon, but it had some problems. The steering is questionable. The front end suspension is royally sacked out. And we had a new problem when I was heading up the hill about 5 miles from where I live. She started losing a little bit of power. I'm thinking it's the fuel pump or fuel filter, because the previous owner did tell me a story, and let's see if she'll start and I'll get into it. So here we go. Oh, that lovely blend door knock. Nice. Fires right up. Good old small block 350. It's even got the EQ in it. Nice. So the story behind the truck is that the previous owner's daughter kind of took it without permission for a couple of weeks, and they might have packed the cooling system full of dirt after they drained it, also cut the battery cables, and did some damage mechanically, but it seems to be okay. I mean, they didn't put any dirt down in the motor. I triple checked that, but we think that they may have put dirt in the gas tank. But yet it still drove 756 miles. And you're asking yourself, why is there an automatic column in it? Well, because it is a manual. Well, previous owner had to replace the column because they decided to break the ignition off, and he didn't have the column to hand me. I could have fixed it, but it happens. But the big thing is, it does have a brand new clutch in it, which is very nice. Let's give her some revs and see how she sounds. Very nice. Let's go ahead and start at the back. Got the standard 90s peeling paint and clear coat. We got, not bad. Walk back over here. It's only got one real good dent in it. Just fired it up and she's running clean. A little rich, but that's the 90s for you. This side of the body, yep, just like the other side, peeling. But here's the fun part. Definitely tell this thing was a desert truck. Yep, that checks out. We got the gold hood with the gold grill. Never found out about that, but I'm going to ask a few questions. Desert trucks and desert vehicles, or dry climate vehicles, are always a good find. This thing has zero rust in it. The cab corners are good. Just minty. And we got the standard OBS door handle mess up. That's fine. Got the standard driver's seat here. Nice modification. We'll get that fixed. Got the standard Bluetooth inside door handles, so you gotta roll the window down to get in and out. And what do you know? The same on the passenger side. Always seems to be a problem on these. Open the glove box. What do we got? Owner's manual. Very nice, very nice. Oh yeah. All the paperwork. I'm gonna be keeping this truck for myself because I've been looking for one. These are uncommon but not rare. You tell me. Again, it's a short bed, 2-wheel drive, factory 350 with a manual transmission. All right.